To send Bitcoin from Fidelity, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Fidelity account with Bitcoin in it. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and fund it with Bitcoin. Next, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading platform. From here, select the Bitcoin account you want to send from and click on the Transfer or Send option. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. It is crucial to ensure the recipient's address is correct, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. You can obtain the recipient's address from them directly or from a Bitcoin exchange. Once you have entered the recipient's address, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount or the entire balance in your account. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and any applicable fees. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin will then be sent to the recipient's address. Keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are processed on the blockchain and may take some time to confirm. It is also important to note that Fidelity may have certain restrictions or requirements for sending Bitcoin, such as minimum or maximum transfer amounts. Be sure to review Fidelity's policies before initiating a transaction. Finally, always prioritize security when sending Bitcoin. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely send Bitcoin from your Fidelity account.